Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page in GetResponse so you can build your email list and so you can promote your affiliate offer, guys. Right? So if you are looking for how to create a landing page using GetResponse and you want to build your email list and you want to promote your affiliate offer, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a landing page, guys. Very frankly, I use ClickFunnels, guys, for creating my sales funnel, for creating my landing page, bridge page and squeeze page. But here I'm showing you that how you can create landing page using GetResponse, right? So here, guys, you can see first of all, it comes up with 30 days free trial, right? And if you want to check it out, down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, guys. And if you want to go with it's you can say paid plan, then for you can say you need to pay, I think, $15, guys, $15 per month for 1000 subscriber. And by going with this plan, you can create landing page and you can start building your email list, guys, right? So that you can do. But for specific you can say purpose that I want to create my sales funnel, I'm using ClickFunnels, guys, right? With that I can do so many things, guys. Very frankly, by using ClickFunnels I can do so many things. But yes, I can understand, guys, that you may not be in a position to pay $97 per month, guys, right? But guys, you can use GetResponse, guys, for creating your landing page so you can build your email list, so you can promote your affiliate offer, unless and until you start getting some commission, and then later on you can go with ClickFunnels, guys, right? So here I'm giving you the option, guys. I can understand when you start you may not be in a position to pay for $97 per month, right? But yes, you can go with a $15 per month plan of GetResponse, and with the help of this plan you can start building your email list, as well as you can start creating your landing page so that you can build your email list. Guys, understand this. If you are not building your email list, then yes, you are losing money on the table. So yes, please build your email list, guys, right? So yes, guys, without any delay, let me show you that how to create a landing page in GetResponse, guys. But guys, one more thing, guys, that I just want to say, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys, right? So now here, let me show you how to create a landing page, guys, using GetResponse, guys, right? So guys, very frankly, guys, you can check out this GetResponse for 30 days absolutely free, guys. They give you 30 days absolutely free. So you can see that, guys, I'm on their 30 days trial period, guys, right? But I'm using ConvertKit, guys, right? But yes, based on your budget, if you want any GetResponse, then yes, you can go with GetResponse based on your budget. And this GetResponse is also affiliate friendly, guys, right? So you can go with that, guys, right? So guys, now here what we need to do, guys, I will, you can say, show you two options, guys, that you can go with, guys. First option is that, guys, that you can go with create form, guys. Let me show you how you can do that. Create form, or you can go with create a landing page, guys, right? So you have two options for creating your landing page. So let me show you first option, guys, create form. Go to this one, create form, and guys, here scroll to the bottom, and here you need to pick the template, guys, right? And guys, here understand this, always go with a simple template, guys. Keep everything simple, don't try to make the things over complicated, guys. Clear? So here, okay, let's pick this one, guys, or I can pick this one too, guys. So guys, here I need to type the message, guys, right? So my, you can say my offer is one funnel away challenge, guys, this, right, that I'm going to promote. So here let me just, it's message. By the way guys, if you are serious and looking for any training that will teach you how to start your online business step by step, then yes, I would highly recommend you guys go and do this training at least for once, guys. If you are serious about doing online business, guys, this is a great training by one of the best coach in the world, Brunson, guys. So down below I have put the link, you can go and check it, guys, right? So again, now here I need to check the message, guys, right? Do you want to grow your business online but you have no idea where to start? So here guys, actually this training is for 30 days, so I can come up with something like, would you like to build online business by in 30 days? And here I can say, or I can delete, guys, right? So it's up to you guys. I can delete this one. I don't want, guys, right? So that's it, guys. So here and your name and email address, and now here I can say something like, show me how, right? That's it, guys. So yes guys, my template is almost you can say completed, guys, right? So I have saved it. Now guys, what's my next step, guys? What I can do, go to settings, guys, right? Settings section, and now here I can give it a name. So my offer name is OFA, one funnel away challenge. So I have given it a name, one funnel away challenge, right? And then yeah, here I can add, like, you know, if someone submit his name and email address, then from which list I can you can say I need to add that very person. So here I can pick my list, guys, that I have created using GetResponse, guys. So here I want to add this person into this list LP12, and from that list, guys, I will be able to send you can say emails to my subscriber, guys, right, by promoting same exact offer. And yeah, after some time I can start promoting any other offer, guys, right? So that way, guys, I'm building my email list, right? And also I'm also you can say promoting my affiliate offer, right? So here, guys, yeah, I have, like, you know, add to the cycle on day 1. So for as soon as someone submit his name and email address, then from that very same day, that very person will start getting my emails, guys, right? So don't worry, guys, I will create another training on that, how to create a list, how to create your autoresponder, right? So don't worry. So I can pick this one, or I can go with this one, guys. So this second email, so I don't want from day 0, or you can say from day 1, I want to send emails to my subscriber. Choose thank you page. So okay, now here, guys, here I have option. If I have link of thank you page, then yes, I can come here. Can you see that custom? Click on that, and here I can put the link of my thank you page or my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys. So here, guys, what I will do, I will come here. So this is my, you can say, link, guys, right? Affiliate link. Copy, and then can you see that? Paste. That's it. Or you can go to bit.ly, guys. Bit.ly, right? Come here, and it's up to you, guys, right? and then shorten, make it short, and then this is your final link. Copy and come here and paste, guys. Paste, right? And then keep everything as it is, guys. Don't do anything, guys, right? So now everything is okay. Now here, and what I need to do, can you see that? Save. So my page is almost ready, guys. Right? And now what I need to do, guys, can you see that? Publish. Come here and hit that button, publish. Okay, guys, now here, guys, I have an option. I can embed this link on my website, my WordPress website, or if I don't, then yes, GetResponse will host my form, guys. So I'm gonna click on that button. I don't want to, or you can say, paste that code on my website or blog. I will just come here. GetResponse will host my form. So this is my final link, guys, that I need to promote, guys, so that I can build my email list. So here I can come here, copy, right? Same thing, guys. I have option. I can start promoting this link, or I can come to bit.ly here, paste this link, and then shorten. Okay, guys. Now can you see that, guys? Now this is my link, guys, final. So I'm gonna copy, guys, right? So guys, I need to promote this link, guys, final this link, guys. So if someone go and click on that link, then there will be a page, or you can say there will be a form, right? Or landing page, whatever you want to say, right? So can you see that, guys? Now here, guys, if someone put his name, like in my case, Pankaj Singh, and my email is okay, that's Pankaj Singh. Now show me how. Already exist. So here, okay, let's pankaj12@gmail.com, right? Show me how. So now you will see that, guys, what will happen. Can you see that, guys? That very person is redirected to my affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys, right, guys? And now in that case, guys, what happened, guys? Here I have collected the email, and then I have sent this person to my affiliate offer, guys, right? So guys, now you know how to create a landing page in, you can say, in GetResponse, guys, using one of the option, guys, right? And second option, guys, right, that I will tell you in the next video, guys, right? It is specifically for landing page, guys, but here I have shown you the, you can say, one of the option, guys, that you can opt for creating your landing page, guys, using GetResponse, guys, right? So that's how you create your landing page, and you can start promoting your affiliate offer, guys, right? So okay, now here, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you have any question, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the training notification about my affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification button, guys, right? And yes, guys, once again, guys, if you are serious, I would highly recommend you go and join this one funnel away challenge, guys. Down below I have put the link with my bonuses that you can go and check out, guys, right? So go and join this training, guys, right? This is very, very great training, guys, right? So yep, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.